Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is on the 1967 Westphalia we've been restoring. It's now MOT'd, taxed, insured and on the road. So I've been driving it around doing my last checks. Done about 18 miles on it now. We've adjusted the front a little bit up to gain a little bit more ride. All the shocks are done. I have put a brand new steering wheel on it, as you can see. Just got Leon from Concept Pop Tops coming in tomorrow to wire the clock and put the twin battery connectors on, so it's got twin battery charging. Yep, it's been a few years now. I thought this day would never come. It's nice for it to go away and let the customer use it for the last few months for winter, get a few miles on it, get the engine bedded in. But to be honest, it's nice to see it outside and not covered up in a workshop. I've never shown you guys before, Leon at Concept Pop Tops rebuilt and restored the Westphalia interior and did a cracking job, as you can see. So that's the original interior, and what he's done is re-laminated some of the wood, put new edging on, reupholstered all the seats, done the pop top, as you can see, so new canvas, what's the word I'm looking for, re-lacquered and epoxied the roof to make it sealed inside but left the outside to keep it original. Proper correct Westy curtains with the little fold and bend here, so the curtains when they're folded tuck in nice. As you can see, it looks really nice inside. It looks like a totally different van compared to the outside. Yeah, very good job. So he's coming tomorrow to finish a few little bits. Then I shall take the customer down the road, to show him a few things, as he's never driven a split screen before. So I think it'll be a bit of a shock to him. They do take a bit of getting used to. I've actually found this van, because obviously we've done the King of Link steering box, pretty much everything's new underneath. I think it drives really nice. Some of the parts are a little bit tight where they're not bedded, but it drives really nice, pulls really nice, cruises at 55-60 easy without even trying. But I think it'd be nice to let him drive it and see what he thinks of it. Hopefully good. And get it out of the workshop, put some miles on it, get it back on the road where it belongs. There we go. I shall show you the engine. I'm not sure if I showed that before. Luca Garranger Racing did that. Got all the battery clamped in nicely now. I've managed to make a 6-volt clamp work on the 12-volt battery. Fire extinguisher in there. Very clinical. There we go. Well, thank you for watching this update on the 67. Don't forget to please like and subscribe or leave any comments. Thanks for watching.